Hey friends! Want to unlock the secrets hidden inside any poem? Headphone writing hand. In this video I'll show you a simple, step-by-step method to analyze a poem like a pro, using easy English and examples you can use right away. Welcome to English with MN, let's dive in. Read the poem slowly, more than once. Read the poem all the way through once to feel it. Read it again and listen to the sounds. Read a third time and try to hear the voice speaking. Each time you read, notice words that stand out. Mark lines that feel important or confusing. Notice the title. Look at the title before and after reading. Ask, what does the title suggest? Does it hint at a person, place, mood, or idea? Titles can give big clues about the poem's meaning. Identify the speaker. Ask who is speaking in the poem. The speaker is not always the poet. The speaker might be a character, an object, or a voice. Write down what you think about the speaker's age, mood, and point of view. Find the situation or scene. Ask, what is happening in the poem? Is the speaker remembering, imagining, describing, arguing, or warning? Where and when might it take place? Short answers help you focus. Notice the tone and mood. Tone equals the speaker's attitude. Mood equals the feeling the poem gives the reader. Look for words that show tone: angry, sad, playful, calm. Notice how the tone changes across the poem. Look at the poem's form. Is it short or long? Is it a sonnet, free verse, haiku, or another form? Count the lines and stanzas. Notice if the form fits the subject. For example, a strict form like a sonnet can make a poem feel controlled, free verse can feel open. Pay attention to structure. See how the poem is organized. Does it have stanzas that act like paragraphs? Does it have a clear beginning, middle, and end? Notice any shifts or turns in the poem. These are often places where meaning changes. Study the rhyme and rhythm. Does the poem rhyme? If yes, what is the rhyme scheme, ABAB, AABB, etc.? If no, notice other patterns. Listen for rhythm. Is it fast, slow, or choppy? Rhythm affects mood. Check the meter, if there is one. If the poem uses regular beats, try to find the meter, iambic, trochaic, etc. You can clap or tap to hear the beats. Meter helps create musical effects and can emphasize certain words. Notice sound devices. Look for alliteration, same consonant sound, assonance, same vowel sound, consonants, repeated consonant sounds, onomatopoeia, words that sound like the thing they name. Sound can add mood and meaning. Look for imagery. Imagery is language that uses the five senses. Find images that show sight, sound, smell, touch, and taste. Ask, what pictures does the poet create? Strong images often carry the poem's main idea. Identify figurative language. Find similes, like, as, metaphors, direct comparisons, personification, giving human traits to non-human things, and hyperbole, exaggeration. Ask how each figure of speech changes the poem's meaning. Watch for symbols. Some objects or images stand for larger ideas. A tree might be life. A road might be a choice. When something seems repeated or important, ask if it could be symbolic. Find motifs and repeated words. Words, images, or ideas that repeat are motifs. Repetition can show what the poem cares about. Note repeated phrases and why the poet repeats them. Look for contradictions and tensions. Poems often place two opposite ideas side by side. These tensions can create meaning. Ask, does the poem show hope and fear? Love and loss? Light and dark? How do these opposites interact? Consider word choice and connotations. Poets pick words carefully. Look up any words you do not know. Then ask, why did the poet choose this word instead of a simpler one? Also notice connotation, the emotions words carry beyond their literal meaning. Ask about historical and cultural context. If you know when or where the poem was written, use that knowledge. A poem written during war will sound different from one written in peace. But if you do not know context, you can still analyze the text alone. Identify the theme or themes. Theme equals the main ideas or messages of the poem. Ask, what is the poem trying to say about life, love, death, nature, or people? Try to put the theme into 1 or 2 clear sentences. Support your idea with evidence. Pick a sentence or 2 that supports your theme. Quote small parts of the poem and explain why they matter. Use short quotations and explain them in simple words. Notice the ending and its effect. Look at the final lines. Do they resolve the poem, add a twist, or leave a question? Endings are often the poet's final push toward meaning. Ask how form and content work together. Think about the whole poem. Ask, how do form, sound, images, and words support the poem's theme? For example, a broken line might mirror a broken heart. Make a short thesis statement. Write 1 clear sentence that states your interpretation. Example, this poem shows that memories are both comforting and painful because the speaker mixes sweet images with sad language. Write a short paragraph to explain your view. Start with your thesis. Add 2 or 3 pieces of evidence, quotes. Explain each quote and link it to the thesis. End with a sentence that sums up how the poem works. Offer a personal response. Say briefly how the poem made you feel and why. Personal response is okay, but keep it tied to the text. Avoid saying, I just liked it, explain why. Reread the poem with your ideas. Go back to the poem. See if your interpretation fits everything. If something does not fit, change your idea. Good analysis is flexible. Practice with different poems. The more poems you analyze, the better you get. Try short poems first. Then move to longer ones. Use the same steps each time. Tips for video presentation. Speak clearly and slowly. Show the poem text on screen. Highlight the lines you discuss. Use simple graphics for terms like imagery or tone. Give 1 short example for each step so viewers can follow. Final checklist. Read more than once. Note the speaker, situation, and tone. Analyze sound, form, imagery, and figures of speech. Find theme and support it with evidence. Write a clear thesis and explain it. Video closing, wrap up. That's it, an easy, step-by-step way to analyze any poem. Try these steps on a poem you love and tell me what you find in the comments. If you liked this video, like, subscribe, and click the bell for more simple English lessons. See you next time on English with MN. Keep reading and stay curious.